Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're making foam friend craft kit. It's easy and fun. Just peel and stick. For ages, for up. It's a kitty. Here it is. Cute little kitty. And let's open it. Whoa. Here is the t-shirt. Oh, let's open it. I like to open things. Ooh. Let's take all off. Okay. Good one though. Whoa. We need this. Okay, just set aside. Ooh, here's the circle thing. I don't know. Just let's set aside for a minute. Excuse me. Here's the t-shirt. Cute little t-shirt like me. Hello, I'm big. I have big t-shirt. Here's the t-shirt. And here's like this. Like that. And here's the googly eyes. Oh. Here's the one gem. Don't lose this, guys, okay? We need this, okay? Like this. Like this. Okay? Now let's do this one. Here's the cheeks and the paws. And here's the ears. Ooh, that's right. Ooh. Here's the body. Cute little buddy. Here's the black foams. And let's trash this. Sorry. Sorry. And I will show you how to make. Guys, here's the body of the kitten. Let's get the black foam. And you see big foams. You need to pop it up. Be careful, okay? Popping up. Ooh. It's there. One. It's like this. Like this. Oh, like here, like this. Huh? I'm super confused. Like this? Nah. Just set aside. And this too, we need to pop it up. Oh no, 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 no. Just like that. And just a little bit one. So let's set aside. There, and we need to set aside because we need it. Here it is, and let's get the instructions because I don't know. Okay, so, I don't know how to describe this one. Not like that, though. Oh, like this. Oh, like that. Like this, guys, okay? Like this. Now, there's a white part. You just only peel it. The white part, okay, guys? And you need to trash the white part. There, trash. And let's put nice and slow. Let's start for the ears and to the bottom. And like that. Just like that. And we will do it to the other side. Like that. There's the white part. Peel and trash and put careful. There. Ooh, that looked pretty good though. Now let's set aside for a minute this little cute little baby. Let's get the t-shirt part. Now let's get the golden red and peel the white and stick nice and carefully. Paa, tuhod, balikat, chan. Be careful, guys. Don't rip the... Okay, like that. And just like, follow the instructions. The paper. Like that. Now let's get yellow and get these ones. Let's get this one. What's this? Half oval or half circle. And you need a peel. Go to the back. Sticks. There. And put it right everywhere. Just there. Right there. Now these little ones, just peel and put it right here. One more. Okay, don't dare. And that. Like that. And let's set aside. Now let's get the big kitty. Get the t-shirt and put it right there, like that. There's a white part and just peel. No need glue, okay guys? No need glue. Be careful peeling the white part because this will rip too maybe once. Now stick nice and careful. Like that. Look like George the pig. But it's a kitty, okay? Kitten. Oh, I did this. Here it is. And here's the ears and put it right here. Get one there. And stick nice. Like that. Okay, guys? And we will do the other side. Like that. It's kind of pretty good, though. Now let's get these ones. Get these little ones and put in the paws. I think I need to relax. Okay. Oh yeah, this mini paws. You need just peel and put it right here. Okay? Like that. And let's do the other side. We need this, okay guys? We need to get the tail and put. Like that, okay guys? Not like this, okay? Like this. Now, we need to find this one. And peel. And put it right here, whatever you want. And get this pink, big pink circle. And put it to the lows. Yeah, like that. It's completely good. Good, right? Now, let's get the cheeks. And put it right here. Like that. And one more. Like that. And let's get the googly eyes and put it right there. Oh gosh, it's not look like cuter. I want to be cute. Things. Oh, there. It's hard to peel the. What? Oh, there. Like that, and put it right here. Like that. And peel the other side. And one more. Right there. Wait, the mouth is not quite loaded. There, like that. Parang naduling na. Like that. Now let's go to the bottom. Oh, first let's get the whiskers. Mini whiskers. One more whiskers. Whiskers. Good for your dog, good for your mother, good for your son. The whiskers. Whiskers. Oh, that's so fast. Whiskers. Try now. Cat now. Meow. There. Naduling. Now get these ones and put right like here. Let's see the instructions. Oh, I'm wrong. Like this, okay guys, like that. Now, get one more and there. And get one more. And there. Get one more. And there. That is pretty good. And let's see that. This is super cute. Let's the eye and put it right here. Let's get the eye. What the? Like that. Super cool, guys. Whoa. Alright. Super cute, and the pocket is super cute now. Ooh, I can play with this. Ah, I need to drink water. I'm thirsty. I burned my eyes. Thank you, Mama. Cool, right? Cool. Okay, guys, I hope you like my video, and please subscribe, click the bell button, and share, okay, guys? And see you guys next time. Bye!